Abhishek, you remember? We used to be in school together.
Yes, Jude. I don't want to rake over the past at the moment. I am a mischievous child during my school days, and I always submitted my assignments at the 11th hour.
You know, I still remembers. My mum used to come pick me up in the evenings, and I was like a dog with two tails. Do you think that we spoke good English? Yes, of course, we did use a lot of idioms and phrases, but there were a few grammatical mistakes. So now let's just analyze the idioms and phrases that we went through.
The first idiom that we used is to rake over the past. This means to recollect things that happened in the past. The second one that we used here is at the 11th hour, which means that we did something at the last moment. Also, a dog with two tails is another idiom that we used here. This is to denote an extremely happy or a jovial person.
As you did hear about the idioms that we used earlier, we did also make a couple of mistakes in terms of grammar. In particular, to say tenses and subject verb agreements. For instance, I said that I still remembers, which actually is a classic example of a mistake committed in terms of subject verb agreement. Instead of that, I should have said I still remember.
Usage of idioms is a good thing to do. However, you should make sure that you should understand and learn how to construct basic sentences properly and to speak fluently. After which, once you have reached an advanced level, you can try to add in a lot of idioms to make your speaking more beautiful.